Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Dropbox and fix file links and LinkedIn posts step by step clearly. To uninstall Dropbox from your device, begin by locating the Dropbox application on your computer. If you're using Windows, click on the Start menu. Navigate to the Settings option, then select Apps. From the list of installed applications, find Dropbox. Click on Dropbox and select the Uninstall button. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. If you're on a Mac, open Finder and go to the Applications folder. Locate the Dropbox app within the Applications folder. Drag the Dropbox icon to the trash or right-click and select Move to Trash. Next, empty the trash to fully remove the application from your system. Now that Dropbox is uninstalled, proceed to fix the file links in your LinkedIn posts. Open your browser and sign into your LinkedIn account. Go to your profile page and scroll down to the section that contains your posts. Identify the posts that contain Dropbox links you'd like to update. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of the post you want to edit. Select Edit Post from the drop-down menu. Replace the Dropbox link with a new link to where your files are stored, such as Google Drive or any other cloud service. Make sure the new link is accessible to your audience. After updating the link, click Save to apply the changes. Repeat these steps for any additional posts that may have Dropbox links. Finally, review your profile to ensure all links are working properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.